lake. Oh, we're gonna walk down here into the waterfall. Really steep. Some huge trees out here.
It's a whole lot better than Amazon. I got the part in that book, so we had to leave it.
Well, it was a nice little cascade. Pretty beautiful up there. I just couldn't get a good video of it. Although I still prefer to hike in the forest over a nearby place in the city. I was kind of reminded immediately of why I don't like parking near these private places. We met I parked on one person's land, but he was very nice about it. Bill parked near another person's land. They were a little bit more curious, but they said it was Army Corps of Engineers property. Here goes Bill. I won't show his license plate. Anyways, they said it's Army Corps of Engineer property, but they got kind of curious as to why I had a tripod. I guess I didn't know what it was. They didn't know a camera was on it. Little things like that are enough to ruin the day for me. I don't know why Bill stopped up ahead. If you jump down now, you'd be surprised by that log. You can't see that log from up there. There's Bill. All those houses, are they new right there? I don't remember those houses. It's not long. Short hike, and yeah, I should have brought my drone out here. All this trash has not been washed in by the lake. It's people coming here and leaving it. Yeah. Beer, water. I saw a couple Red Bulls. There's a Red Bull. No, that's beer. Michelob Ultra. People drink classy beers and then leave it behind. It's ironic. Yeah.